Hey guys, welcome back. And I have a 2013 Kia Soul. And the problem is, well, right now, every single door, I manually locked it. And I'm gonna lock it again using the key fob. It works, right? And I'm gonna unlock it. I'm gonna lock it again. It's not doing anything. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I can hear the relay kicking on. This is an aftermarket key fob, but the key fob does work though. It will unlock it, and if you manually lock this door, we locked it. But right now, it's not doing its job because there's something wrong with it. Could be the actuator here or the IPM control module. Let's go ahead and find out. Alright guys, so here is schematics. Let's understand what's going on first. So we have two door unlock relay, this one and this one, and we have one door lock relay, which is this guy right here. So let's go ahead and check this one, pin number 11, right? So if I back probe this, we're gonna get, let's follow the line, we're gonna get ground there, right? All the way. Then when we try to unlock the door using the main switch right here, this guy right here, it's gonna send signal to body control module, and this body control module will send signal to the relay and close the switch. And we suppose this grounded, we supposed to, when this switch close, we supposed to get what? Right here, battery voltage, right? So let's go ahead and check number 11, because this is a known good one. And where is number 11? If I click that, it's right here, number 11, which is this connector right here that I'm already connected. It's right there. This is number 11 right here. I'm connected with my power probe, and we are grounded, right? If I press the unlock, we're supposed to get power there, right? So there you have it. We get 11 point something volts right there. Also, when you press this unlock button on this switch, we also get battery voltage all the time, right? Right there. Now let's go back to our schematics. Let's close this one really quick. Now let's go here to the lock relay. So I'm gonna back probe this pin number 6, which is this guy right here. Alright, so the number 6 is right here. So it's gonna be the same process. We put right here, then we supposed to get ground and this line, right, all the way through here, which is grounded. So if I put my power probe here, we're supposed to get ground. Then when the BCM energized relay, this switch will close and we get right here, battery voltage, power, right? Okay, let's try it. All right, so let's switch this one. Just gonna put this one over here, make sure it's not touching anything. Okay, then this guy goes over here now. And that's a good sign. We got ground. That means our circuit from here all the way here is good. And I'm poked right there at number 6. So, where's my key? If I press lock, the switch should close, right? And we should get a battery voltage. Nothing. The relay is clicking now. Oh, there you go. Holy shit, it works. Well, let's unlock it again. Okay. I just want to verify. Well, right now, that relay is clicking, but it's not closing all the way. Because we don't get anything. There you go. Now we got power. Yeah, I think we have problem with this IPM control module. I can rule out the body control module though, because if we go over here, the body control module is the one control this lock. But again, if you don't receive, how do I get back? If you don't receive signal from this relay, the body control module is not going to do anything, right? Which is, right now it's not. I did unlock it. It's not giving a signal. As soon as that thing, the relay, give it the power, oh there we go, that's it. So the door will lock. Unlock. If the body control module receives signal from the relay, it's gonna lock that. Gotta do it multiple times. Now it's not doing it. I think we have some issue with this IPM control module. The relay is not doing its job. Yeah. But if I put this one here, that's the unlock one, and press unlock, those two relay will close, send signal to the BCM, and then the BCM will unlock the door. There you go. All the time. Right? I think we have a problem with this IPM control module. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Okay guys, so I manually locked every single door right now. And I'm gonna press this with my knee. This is the ajar door. Then I'm gonna lock that. Let's see if the system will lock that. There we go. And that guy's still not doing anything. I just unlocked it. Nothing. Now he doesn't want to lock it anymore. Alright guys, so I also want to show you guys this. So this is door unlock relay. There are two of them, right? So I back probe this guy right here. Where? This guy, number 13. And the BCM, well, right now if we poke this, we're supposed to get power right there, right? Then the BCM should send ground, so the relay will close. Okay, remember I have to press it twice though, because the first one will be this guy and then the second press will be this guy. So right now I am poked to number 12 right here, and if I press the key fob twice, I'm gonna press it first. Nothing happened because that's on the 2/3 unlock relay. And then I'm gonna press it again and the BCM should ground it. There we go. Press it twice, right? First, no ground. Second, ground right there. Now, this is the problem one. We're gonna measure number 12. If the BCM grounded the relay the same way he grounded this unlock relay. Okay, let me re-poke it really quick. Alright guys, now I am connected to pin number 12, which is this guy right here. And if I press the lock button, the BCM will send signal the way he sends signal on this relay. Okay, here we go guys. There we go. So every time I press this, it will send ground signal, right? The relay will click, but it's kind of weak. So now with this test, we are 100% sure the IPM control module is causing the problem. So I put all back together, but my parts guy told me, hey, we do have a part. It's right here. I can't believe it. This is 2013 and we do have parts right here. Brand new, never opened. So let's go ahead and install it then. Come on, get out. There you go. Okay, so there is two 10mm right here, and that's all. What is this for? Something is in here hooked up like a connector. Oh no, there's 10mm here too. So there's, yeah, if I remove this, I can gain access on that one. So how about here? This one is just probably, yep, there's nothing there. So there's 3. Can I see it over here? Oh yeah, I can see it from there. Alright. Okay. I can unplug this guy. Unplug this guy. There you go. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go grab my 10mm stubby to remove that. Okay. Okay, so I got this. Hopefully this guy is small enough to help us. It's right there. There we go. Okay. Now I can probably turn it by hand. Yep. This guy's just about to fall. There we go. Where's my magnet? Oops. It's right there. There we go. It's right there. It's out. Now, these two right here. Okay, so this switch is on the way. How can I pop this out? Right? There's a switch right here. On the way. Oh, there we go. I got it out. Now I gotta undo this. Let me go grab my tools. Why not, buddy? The blue one came out easily, but the white one, There we go. There we go. Okay. Now, this one's supposed to be freely. Unplug the blue one here. Come on. Why? Okay. Hopefully this guy will help us. Can't see. Gotta be careful here. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, a few more. Okay. Come on, buddy. There we go. Okay. Seriously, man. You're not supposed to be this hard. There we go. The last one. Oh, there we go. Now it's out. I mean, all the connectors are out, and I believe it's gonna go this way. There you have it. Whew. Okay. I got the new one. And it's gonna go the same way the old one came out. And it's going to be easier. Plug the first one. There we go. I didn't hear a click, but it's in there. Yep. Okay. Is that all the way in? Yeah, it's all the way in. Where'd this guy go? Let's put this one in first. There we go. And this guy. There we go. And And this guy goes here. There we go. That one. I got one more big one. But first, I'm gonna go line this up. Sorry guys, I got a tight spot here. Can't really show you, but you guys know what I'm doing here, right? There we go. Got it in. Then well, let's see if this guy can help me just to line this thing up. There we go. There we go. Now press them in. There we go. Okay. 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 It's in. Alright. Now line this up and go grab your tool. Hopefully I did not ruin any of this aftermarket stuff, but I doubt it. I think I'm good. Here we go. Now this is gonna be another challenging part. I did it just to help line up. Hope you guys can see it. There we go. Nope. How about go over this side? Oh yeah. There you go. Now spin that one. Woohoo! It's going. Cool. Got lucky. I'm gonna go. Where's my tool? Here. Like this. Oops. Make sure you're not pinching any wire, and here's this guy right here to tighten this. Okay, I got it. Now I gotta work blind. Oops. Did I? Oh, I lost that. There we go. I just need double turns. There we go. It's tight. Sweet. Sweet. Now, before I put everything, I want to double check my work. I'm going to install my negative battery cable back. There we go. Alright guys, so the moment of truth. Let's press locked. What? What the heck I just did? Why it's not working anymore? Do I have to program the key fob? Oh, you know what? Haha! You gotta plug that in, right? There we go. Okay. Woohoo! That's lock, unlock, lock, unlock. This is fixed, guys. Alright, so we can put everything back together now. Pretty happy. We'll fix it. Oops. Gonna go ahead and put this in. Fuse lead. Oops. All right. Okay. Put this back. Don't forget to ground this. It's just a light right here. They put aftermarket accessories. Okay. Put this back. Oops. What? I think I got the wrong bit, but I'll make it work. There we go. Clean this a little bit. Okay, let's try it one more time. It's unlock, lock. Oh yeah. Cool. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.